Hey everybody! I learned how to solve a Rubik's Cube as my quarantine skill this year, and it's really fun and it's really cool, and so I thought I would share it in a series of videos. Please ignore my fingers, they're dyed. I did watch a video on YouTube on how to solve this, and so I will link that below if you want to watch that. It's a great video. The very first time I solved it from watching that video, it took me about 2 hours, and now I can consistently solve one in under 5 minutes. So it's definitely effective. It taught me how to do this. The only thing I didn't like about that video is it's the entire solving from start to finish, and so I had to stop and rewind, and had to try to remember where different parts were. So I'm going to break this up into a lot of different videos. So if you get stuck on one particular step, you can just look at that particular video. Or if you mess up and you have to go back a few steps, you can just go and watch that particular video. So just real quickly, so there are 3 different pieces on the Rubik's Cube. There is a corner piece, which has 3 sides. There is an edge piece or a side piece, which has 2 sides, and both of these pieces can move to different spots on the cube. And then there's a center piece, which just has 1 side, and those don't move. So whatever color is in the middle, that's what color that side has to be when it's solved. And so your yellow is always going to be opposite of your white, your orange is always going to be opposite of your red, etc. There are a couple of different algorithms that I have learned to solve the cube. Basically, it's the trick to solving a cube. The professional speed solvers, I think they said, have memorized hundreds of algorithms. I only know 2. And so it's this is a very basic beginner, but it will get you to solve a cube if that's what you want to do. It will not get you into being able to compete or doing it super fast, but it will teach you how to solve the cube. So anyway, you do solve a cube. I used to think you would solve this side first and then solve this side, but you don't. You solve the bottom in this particular method. You solve the bottom row first, and then you solve the middle row, and then you solve the top row. So you go row by row that way. So in the next video, I will show you the 2 algorithms. Practice those, and once you have those, the rest of the steps should be easy.